What is an AI chatbot? An AI chatbot is a computer program that can simulate conversation with a human user. Chatbots are often used in customer service applications, where they can answer questions and provide support to customers. They can also be used in other applications, such as education, healthcare, and entertainment. There are many popular chatbots available. Some of the most popular include ChatGPT is an AI chatbot that is powered by OpenAI's GPT-3 model, which can write texts, compose emails, create code, and more. You can chat with ChatGPT on various topics and see how it responds. Google Bard is an AI chatbot that can write poems for you based on your input. You can choose from different poetic forms, such as sonnet, haiku, limerick, or free verse, and enter a topic or a phrase to inspire the AI. Google Bard will then generate a poem for you that you can share with others. Bing is powered by Microsoft Bing's AI model, which can search the web, answer questions, and provide information. It can also generate imaginative and innovative content, such as stories, essays, songs, celebrity parodies, and more. You can chat with Bing on various topics and see how it responds. LaMDA is a chatbot developed by Google AI. It is known for its ability to hold open-ended conversations on a variety of topics. Replica is a chatbot that is designed to be a friend or companion. It can be used to talk about anything, and it can even learn your personality and preferences over time. Xiaois is a chatbot developed by Microsoft. It is popular in China, where it is used for a variety of purposes, such as customer service and entertainment. Amazon Alexa is a voice-activated chatbot that is available on a variety of devices, such as Amazon Echo and Fire TV. It can be used to control smart home devices, get information, and play music. Siri is a voice-activated chatbot that is available on Apple devices, such as iPhones and iPads. It can be used to control the device, get information, and make appointments. AI chatbots are becoming increasingly popular, and they are being used in a variety of applications. They offer a number of advantages over traditional customer service methods, such as 24/7 availability and the ability to handle multiple conversations simultaneously. If you are interested in learning more about AI chatbots, I encourage you to check out the resources that I have listed in the description below.